Hi! In front of me is Realme GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this Realme. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar right away. Now type in iOS launcher. Finally, get this free app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, select while using and allow in the pop-ups. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen, tap on Home button and go into Devices settings. In them, you need to scroll down, click on Apps, select Default Apps and finally tap on Home app. To apply iOS launcher, just click on it. Then select Got it in the pop-up. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Realme. But if you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and choosing System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!